Hey, what is up guys? John here at TEMU. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the QCY H3 Pro. So guys, in this video we're going to unbox these. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to try them out, and more importantly, we're going to see how they fit in sound, and I'll let you know what I think of them. Before we do that, I just got to let you guys know that QCY did send these out to me to try out. So big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. So guys, here is the box they come in. We've got some QCY branding up top. We've got H3 Pro down here on the bottom left. And we've got high-res audio wireless, and LDAC support. This is what the side looks like. Same thing on this side. All right, here is the back, and let's just go over some of the specs real quick. It says we've got spatial sound, 55 hours of battery life, 50 decibels of adaptive ANC, and we also have wired ANC, and we've got gaming mode, multi-point connection, stereo power amplifier chip, and we've got 40mm super magnetic drivers. All right, let's get to opening the box. All right, so the headphones are in here. Put that off to the side real quick. We'll see what else we get in the box. So we've got quick user guide. And then we've got a USB-A. Let me stick them out real quick. We've got a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, because you can use these wirelessly, but you also got the 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can use these wired up as well. Very cool, I like that. All right guys, and here are the headphones. So they are made out of a nice matte black, that's plastic. And they are super lightweight, guys. And we've got some soft leatherette type cushion here. We've got left and right inside the cups. Very nice. I like the details like that. This is made out of plastic. Got some QCY branding on there as well. They feel pretty sturdy, but they're plastic, so you're gonna want to take care of these. And then on the right side, we've got your volume rocker, power button, your USB-C port for charging, and we've got ANC button right there. Very cool. I like that. So yeah, let's turn them on. Let's see if we got some battery in this. And on my ears, guys, they kind of are on top of my ear. They don't go over them. And that is how they look, guys. Cool. All right, so we just powered them on. There is a voice that says that they are powered on. They automatically go into pairing mode, and that ANC is on. So let's pair this to my iPhone real quick. Right out the gate, they found them. There we go, QCY H3 Pro. And we are connected, and there is also a voice prompt that says that we're connected, so I like that. So these have app support. You just got to download the QCY app. There we go. And the app automatically sees them. Just click on the icon. And we are paired. We've got 70% battery life from the factory. And we've got some sound settings up here up top. You've got default, you've got spatial sound, and you've got pop, heavy bass, rock, soft, classic. And at the end, you've got customization, and you've got 10 bands to work with. So you can really dial in the sound to your liking. That's awesome. We'll keep them on default. We'll see how they sound, and we'll go from there. So yeah, there's a lot of settings that you can play with, guys. We've got gaming mode, dual device connection, find headset. You've got you can set up a time to where they can power off, And then beat volume, tone switch. You can update the firmware. Lots of customization going on, guys. I like that. But we'll keep everything stock and we'll see how they sound. Here we go. Keep their heads ringing. Ooh. We're about 50% volume. Stock settings. Yeah, they got some good bass right out the box. The vocals are clear. These sound good, guys. I like that. Let's see how it sounds if I up the bass or if I change the sound profile. Let's go heavy bass. Let's see what happens there. Ooh, a little too much for me, I think. And I like a lot of bass, but the vocals aren't as clear in this setting. So I think I like the default, but let's try, see how it sounds in let's just go through all of them real quick. Go pop, a little too weak in the bass. I don't like that. Let's check out rock. Sometimes rock sounds really good. Yeah, see, this has a good balance. Vocals is clearer than on heavy bass, and the bass is, it thumps, and it doesn't sound like the bass is spread out. It like hits, it thumps. I like that. I like that. So far, rock is my favorite. Let's see. Yeah, it's soft. So that's pretty clear. The vocals are clear, but not enough bass for my liking. All right, that's classic. It sounds more brighter, but the vocals isn't as clear as like in rock. So out of all the presets, I like rock. That sounds really good to me. Just a good balance of sound clarity and bass. Yeah, I like that. That sounds so good. All right, while we're here, let's test out the mic. Let's see how the mic sounds. Just a quick mic check. Hey, what is up, guys? John here at TEMU Go, doing a quick microphone check on the QCY H3 Pro Bluetooth wireless headphones. Microphone check 1 2. Microphone check 1 2. Let me know what you guys think. Do we sound good? Are we clear? Let me know in the comments, guys. All right, guys, so that is the mic test. Once again, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me set this up for you guys, and I'll let you guys listen in.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh, I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Baby, I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. Say, yeah. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more.
All right, guys, that is it for the sound test. What'd you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I think they sound pretty good. All right, so these things are coming in at right around 65 bucks. And for that price point, guys, I think they're worth it. They've got a lot of features. They've got app support. They've got LDAC support. They've got active noise cancellation. Man, and that's just some of the features. But I think they sound good to me. So guys, if you are in the market for a new pair of headphones, definitely check these ones out. They've got a ton of cool features at a price point that won't break the bank.